Here is the latest special weather statement. Flash flood watch remains in effect through Sunday evening. The flash flood watch continues for Vermont from Rutland and Windsor counties northward as well as Essex County, New York. Showers and thunderstorms will increase in convergence.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in eastern New York, Herkimer County in eastern New York, southwestern Hamilton County in eastern New York, northwestern Fulton County in eastern New York, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Limecombe Lake Campground to near Trenton Falls to near Vernon, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Holland and Coldbrook around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newport around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Middleville around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Frankfurt around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ilion and Herkimer around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mohawk around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Little Falls and West Winfield around 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jordanville around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Young's Crossing, Martin Corners, Deck, Cass Bridge, West Canada Lakes, Birmingham Corners, West Schuyler, Mountain Home, Wilmot Corners, and Irish Settlement. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.
You're listening to
Special weather statement. At 5:18 p.m., showers and thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall were located over northern Essex County, New York, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The storms will move across Lake Champlain between Port Kent and Port Henry through 6 p.m. and into Chittenden and northern Addison counties. Locations impacted include South Burlington, Colchester Essex Junction, Bristol, Burlington International Airport, Addison, Williston, Winooski, Shelburne, Jericho, Hinesburg, Stowe, Richmond, Charlotte, Underhill, Ferrisburg, Moncton, Huntington, Starksboro, and Middlesex. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rensselaer, southeastern Washington, and western Bennington counties has expired. This storm, which prompted the warning, has weakened below severe limits and no longer pose an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. Here is the latest